Coconut oil and its many uses. Ways to use coconut oil? Well, we have, and we want to share every single one of them with you. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel so that you never miss another video filled with unusual facts, and feel free to share it with your friends. All right, number 1, try coconut oil as a moisturizer for your skin. Coconut oil delivers a refreshing, healing burst of moisture that penetrates your skin and works to truly heal. It doesn't just soak in and dry up, it really works in your skin. Number 2, try it as a conditioner. When the teeny tiny overlapping plates that make up your outer hair shaft get rumpled and out of whack, coconut oil is there to smooth those tiny little cells right back into place and hold them there. Number 3 would be to make some homemade soap. Coconut oil serves as a wonderful pure base that can simplify ingredients, add hardness to soap, and will help break down grease and other oils. Use coconut oil for weight loss. Tip number 4. The easiest way to start using coconut oil for weight loss is by eating it by the spoonful. Use a small amount until your body gets used to it. Number 5, as an energy booster. Coconut oil gives you a great boost in energy, and who doesn't need some help in that department every now and then? Some people also feel that it helps boost their mental alertness. Number 6. Fight a fungal infection. The medium-chain fatty acids found abundantly in coconut oil are incredibly effective natural fungicides. In a coconut shell, they naturally insert themselves into the fungal membrane, which is the crucial part in maintaining the life of a fungus. Tip number 7, having to do with coconut oil. Use it on a cold sore. Coconut oil may not offer a cure, but it does help, especially with cold sores. You can dab it on as soon as you feel a blister start to form, and it will take it internally too. 1 to 3 tablespoons a day will help kill off that pesky herpes virus, and you'll see the cold sore disappear much faster than normal. Tip number 8. An SPF lip balm. Mix up a scrub to slough off any dry skin. Combine 1 teaspoon of sea salt with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into a bowl. Dab the mixture all over your chapped lips, then scrub gently with your fingers in a small circular motion. Do this for about a minute or until your lips feel smooth. Tip number 9, exfoliating body scrub. One favorite for many is the use of coconut oil as a base for a body scrub or a face scrub. You can melt some down, stir in some sugar, let it cool, and then use it as is. Number 10. Makeup remover. Makeup on your face? Well, that might be something you'd like to get rid of. Your face is something you would like to protect. Go ahead instead and use some coconut oil instead of chemicals. It will gently and safely remove all traces of makeup and will leave your face feeling healthy and refreshed. Number 11. Use coconut oil as a massage oil. The benefits of massage are countless, and we could all use a massage every now and then. Rather than using a heavy lotion, simply use coconut oil. Number 12. Use coconut oil as a bath oil. You can soften your water and your skin with just a bit of coconut oil. Enjoy its lovely aroma and gently swish around. You'll swirl through the water, naturally coating your skin, leaving it feeling smooth, healthy, and moisturized. Tip 13 for coconut oil. A rash soother. Coconut oil, with its anti-inflammatory effects, is an obvious go-to for helping with swelling. It can also help take the edge off of a dreadful itch, curbing the vicious cycle of scratching, further irritating your skin and scratching some more. Tip 14. You can use coconut oil to reduce hair